The district's youngest bears, from birth through preschool, began their educational journeys this week. Students in the Early Childhood Program, with locations throughout the district, are creating lasting memories as they explore their classrooms, enjoy hands-on activities, and make new friends. Go Bears!
Visual media and design students at Central Middle School are being inspired by the world around them as they learn the basics of photography. Students bring an object to class and practice using forced perspective to make their objects look smaller or bigger through the lens. Go Bears!
At Otter Lake Elementary, students were seen discovering the power of music this week. Second graders were taught a group game using the stretchy band to explore teamwork in their voices. Students also work on understanding beats and rhythm within songs, using scarves and movement. Go Bears!